Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about a common health issue that affects millions of people each year: ear infections. If you or your loved ones have ever experienced the discomfort and pain associated with an ear infection, you'll want to stick around for this video. We'll be discussing the causes, symptoms, treatment options, and most importantly, whether ear infections are contagious or not. So, let's dive in. Ear infections are a common ailment that affects millions of people each year, particularly children. These infections occur when the middle ear becomes inflamed due to a bacterial or viral infection and can cause pain, discomfort, and other symptoms. One question that is frequently asked is whether ear infections are contagious. In this video, we'll explore the causes, symptoms, and treatment of ear infections, as well as the contagiousness of this condition. Causes of ear infections. Ear infections can be caused by both bacterial and viral infections. In children, ear infections are often caused by bacteria that have traveled from the nose or throat into the middle ear. The eustachian tube, which connects the middle ear to the back of the throat, can become blocked due to allergies, colds, or other respiratory infections, allowing bacteria to grow and cause an infection. In adults, ear infections may be caused by viral infections, such as the common cold or flu. Symptoms of ear infections. The symptoms of ear infections can vary depending on the severity and location of the infection. Some common symptoms include ear pain or discomfort, fluid drainage from the ear, reduced hearing or hearing loss, headache, nausea or vomiting, fever, irritability or fussiness in infants and young children. It's important to note that not all ear infections cause symptoms, particularly in adults. However, if you or your child experiences any of these symptoms, it's important to seek medical attention to determine the cause and severity of the infection. Treatment for ear infections. The treatment for ear infections can vary depending on the cause and severity of the infection. In most cases, antibiotics are prescribed to treat bacterial infections. Pain relievers, such as acetaminophen or ibuprofen, may also be recommended to alleviate ear pain and fever. If the infection is severe or recurrent, surgery may be necessary to remove fluid from the middle ear and improve hearing. Are ear infections contagious? Now, let's address the question of whether ear infections are contagious. The answer is somewhat complex, as it depends on the cause of the infection. Bacterial ear infections are not considered contagious, as they are caused by the overgrowth of bacteria that are normally present in the nose or throat. However, viral ear infections, such as those caused by the flu or cold, can be contagious and easily spread from person to person. It's important to note that the virus that causes a cold or flu can also cause other respiratory infections, such as bronchitis or sinusitis, which can in turn lead to ear infections. Therefore, it's important to take precautions to prevent the spread of these infections. This includes washing your hands frequently with soap and water, covering your mouth and nose when coughing or sneezing, avoiding close contact with others who are sick, staying home from work or school if you or your child are experiencing cold or flu symptoms, preventing ear infections. While not all ear infections can be prevented, there are steps you can take to reduce the risk of developing an infection. Some tips for preventing ear infections include getting vaccinated against the flu and pneumococcal disease, avoiding exposure to cigarette smoke, which can irritate the eustachian tube, treating allergies, and other respiratory infections promptly to prevent the spread of bacteria or viruses. Practicing good hygiene, such as washing your hands frequently and covering your mouth and nose when coughing or sneezing. Ear infections are a common condition that can cause pain, discomfort, and other symptoms. While bacterial ear infections are not contagious, viral ear infections can be easily spread from person to person, particularly during cold and flu season. Thanks for tuning into our video about ear infections. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more videos about health and wellness. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.